I'm in Everson, Washington, just a few kilometers away from the Canadian border. I'm standing on the edge of the Nooksack River. Now, this is the same body of water that overflowed and flooded Abbotsford's Sumas Prairie just 1 year ago. We're here to hear from county officials and how they plan on keeping disaster from happening again. The water might be low, but signs of the flood are all over the place.
You can really look and see the kind of the log jam buildup right by the support of the bridge. Just gives you an idea of how high the water got.
Last November, the atmospheric river filled up the Nooksack far beyond what the county had projected.
As soon as it leaves the riverbanks, the Nooksack River leaves the banks and heads north, we really are watching it because it'll go across 5 or 6 different roads on its way north to Sumas.
One person was killed as the torrent of water swept through the town on its way north.
I'm not one lying to you. I was scared.
This farm worker raced to save his cows.
So when I wake up at 4:30 in the morning and I see outside, it was terrible. So I have to start to do what I have to do.
1 year later, much of the community is still in shambles, and despite repairs to levees and culverts, there's no obvious long-term fix quite yet.
When you start talking about permanent solutions, it really becomes very complicated and things move a little bit slower because there's a lot of different opinions on what those permanent solutions are.
Opinions like dredging, side channels, even water storage coming from both sides of the border.
There's been, I think, 3 or 4 really good, solid meetings where Canadian representatives have been watching or zooming in.
And they're just having meetings and meetings and meetings, and nobody knows what to do there.
Frustrations piling up for residents like Everson City Councillor Matthew Goring, who took matters into his own hands by raising his house.
So these flood vents are meant to equalize the water, so the water's supposed to flow in here. Until that trailer's out of there, which should be in about 3 weeks, and I'm high and dry in that house, I'll be fine. But I feel so sorry for my neighbors and family and the people that I represent in Everson that they're not at that point yet.
Provincial and state officials say they're working with their federal governments to solve this river's riddle. Until then, those in its wake are at its mercy. John Hernandez, CBC News, Everson, Washington.